Good morning, good evening, doesn't matter what time of the day you're watching this. How are you doing? We are on day 15 and I genuinely don't know what's in here. So, because like some of the days you can actually quite kind of see what it is. Whereas like this one I'm like, what is it? I can't really feel it neither. So I'm intrigued to see what's in here. So after this intro, we'll open this up. Right, so, oh. Yay! Right, so, it's midway, so we thought we'd get some crinoline in. Love crin, oh my word. One of our favourite materials. Whether plain or pleated, it can be twisted to make some amazing creations. We love the new tubular crin, which can be wired to create shapes or, I'm not too sure what that last word is. Curls, I think. Sorry. I don't have my glasses on. I apologise. I don't have my glasses on. A, because I do have them here. But when I put my glasses on, you see this, yeah. You can't see the soles of my eyes. So, and I've got two big bright lights here. Oh, yes. Oh, lots of crin. We do have a lot of crin. So, what do we have? Let me, so first of all, we have some regular crin. So this is the 6-inch wide crinoline. This particular colour is aqua. So, you know, that's just your regular crinoline. We also have, I already have this, but it's a colour I will definitely use. So this is the 6-inch wide pleated crinoline. Ooh. So this is 6-inch wide pleated crinoline and this is the neon yellow. Oh, I just love it so much. It's, yeah. I actually think I got this in my last one as well. And I love this. In fact, I used this in my London Hat Week hat that I personally wore for myself, so I'm going to definitely use more of this. So this is £4.50 a metre. The regular crin is £2.50 a metre, and then this is a little bag of tubular crin. Ooh, in the aqua as well. So I think this is the 4mm. It looks like it's a 4mm crin in aqua. So like the note said, you could really make shapes and curls and words if you wanted to. And this is, let me see how much this is. This is £1.50 a metre. But it does come in different sizes. It does come in lots of different colours. I will link this in the description box below. Crin, see, this is just, these colours are amazing. The colour, because I've got them all here, you see. Imagine these together. Yes, that's a good colourway. Ooh, yeah, we're loving that. Another one from Hazel Edwards today for question of the day is, what's the mystery behind a floating veiled brim? The one where with the Merry Widow veiling that has wire at the edge. I think I know what you're referencing with this. That is the one very popularized by Philip Treacy, I believe, where it's like circular and there's veiling. I have tried to do this myself, and it's hard. Oh my word, it is hard. It's not necessarily something that it's not necessarily that I would do like in my sort of the styles that I tend to gravitate towards. It's not necessarily something I would do. So I haven't learned how to do it from being taught by anybody, because obviously I wouldn't dare to, I just wouldn't go to a class and then show you guys. That's just wrong. So I have tried to do it before, and I have some veiling here so I can kind of demonstrate. How I've tried to do it was take the veiling, fold it in half, lengthwise, so you've got like a shorter piece, and then sewed these edges together, so sewed the two edges like this, and then it's very hard to do, and then you just have to like it's what I would suggest is find somebody who actually teaches this, like Hat Academy. Maybe they've got a course, or maybe there's a class at London Hat Week next year that will have something to do with those sort of brims. So if you are interested, I would very much suggest having a look at them, because yeah, it looks like you need patience. So I think that's what you're referencing. So if that is what you're referencing, that's what I mean. It's, you know, there's a lot more to it than just this, but what I was, veiling in half, lengthwise. You bring your wire goes in this section, and it kind of stretches it out. But you need like a very wide piece. Like this is 6mm. You're probably going to need like a 12 to a 15 just to achieve that brim. It has to be pulled taut. You've got to get it, because you don't want it like this. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but it's not. Have I got anything? I'll put this behind it. No, you can't see. It has to be perfect. Like your placement has to be perfect. So you know, it just has to be correct. So if that's what you're referencing, then hopefully I've kind of answered it. Thank you very much. Thanks for the question, Hazel. Thank you very much for that. And yeah, I shall hopefully see you soon. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you for keeping with me so far into December. All the materials are listed in the description box below, alongside all my social media. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel. If you are subscribed, hit that notification bell to be notified when we release videos in future. We're putting out videos at 8 PM every day. Thank you for sticking with me, and I will see you tomorrow for day 16 in this millinery countdown.